नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं 10th ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट में, जो कि हो रहा है एनडीएमसी कन्वेंशन सेंटर में। इस सम्मेलन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप ने। वेलकम टू 10th ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट। टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर कंपनी एंड योर प्रोडक्ट रेंज।
So, hello. Basically, I'm Anup from Agarwal Foods, and we deal in turmeric, all the kind of turmeric, whole spice and powdered spice. And we are in this trade from the last 50 years, so we can we can match all the turmeric requirements of the stakeholders. So that is why I'm here, and I'm really liking this event as I'm getting a lot of. A lot of exposure. There is a lot of socializing that's happening. I'm getting to know the different parts of the business. And there's also some team which is also presenting on the technology bit. Some team is presenting on the automation bit. So the whole of exposure is very nice.
And what are the innovations that are taking place in the company right now?
The innovations eminent to all the businesses right now, the labor problems are quite a few. That's the one of the basic problems right now. So basically, we are also looking into automations, how we can go ahead with that, and how automations can help us prevent the labor problem in the future. Because the problem has just started now. I think 10 years down the line, the problem will be very big. So before that, we can jump into the automation field. So that is what we are trying to do.
So, in your opinion, how do these summits, help in business growth?
So one aspect of the summit is obviously socializing, so that you can get to know the different stakeholders, you can approach different buyers, and you can create your own name in that field. And the second bit is knowing what's happening in the whole in the business, like automations. I said, there's a team from Tally who's presenting, so the people who don't know about it, they can get to know. So that part is also very good. So both the parts, the seminar is joined, and I think they are doing it very well. Yeah, it's a fruitful. Yeah.
एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप द्वारा 10वें ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट का सफल आयोजन 26 मई 2023 को किया गया। एनडीएमसी कन्वेंशन सेंटर कनॉट प्लेस में आयोजित इस समिट का उद्घाटन राजस्थान के पूर्व कैबिनेट मंत्री एवं राज्यसभा सांसद राजेंद्र गहलोत, राजस्थान सरकार के पूर्व कृषि मंत्री प्रभुलाल सैनी एवं राजस्थान के पूर्व राज्य मंत्री भूपेंद्र सैनी ने किया।